Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever seen those little white pellets inside a moisture absorber pack and wondered what they are or how they work? Today, we're going to investigate a fascinating chemical called calcium chloride and answer one key question: does it actually absorb moisture? The short and simple answer is a resounding yes. In fact, calcium chloride is one of the most effective and widely used substances for this exact purpose. It is what scientists call a hygroscopic material, which is a technical way of saying that it loves water and actively attracts and holds water molecules directly from the surrounding air. But its ability goes even further than just getting a little damp. Calcium chloride is so powerful that it's also deliquescent. This means it can absorb so much moisture from the atmosphere that it will eventually dissolve itself and turn into a liquid brine solution. If you were to conduct a simple experiment by leaving a small bowl of dry, white calcium chloride crystals out in a humid room, you would witness this process firsthand. Over a few hours or days, you would see the crystals first begin to clump together, then appear wet as if they were sweating, and finally, transform completely into a puddle of clear liquid. This remarkable ability makes it incredibly useful in a variety of real-world applications. For instance, let's look at a few examples. First, it's the primary ingredient in many commercial dehumidifiers, especially those disposable moisture traps you place in closets, basements, or RVs to prevent mold and musty odors. Second, it's used for de-icing roads in the winter. It works by not only lowering the freezing point of water but also by drawing in moisture to create a brine that starts melting ice and snow quickly, even in very cold conditions. Third, it's used for dust control on unpaved roads and construction sites. By absorbing moisture from the air, it keeps the ground surface slightly damp, weighing down dust particles and preventing them from becoming airborne. So, calcium chloride is definitely a champion when it comes to absorbing moisture, using its unique chemical properties to help us in many different ways. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support the channel. It really helps us create more content like this for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.